So when you first log into Paper, which is the tutoring service member, app.paper.co, okay, you're going to log in using your Google account. This is your school Google account. So make sure you're logged into your school GAFE account before you log in. Okay, so you're going to hit that. And you're going to see your home screen, which is going to look something like this. It should say hi and then your first name. Welcome to Paper. That's the tutoring service. Right here, this is where you could upload your essays if you wanted to. Remember, you're going to convert it to a PDF file. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, you could watch introduction videos here. It should have your first and last name. If English is not your first language and you want it in a different language, you could click on EN right here and you could get it in, you could use the website in French, Mandarin, or Spanish. I'm going to keep it in English. Okay, right here is where you can ask tutor different questions. So here, right here, you could either type in, okay, your questions, or I believe you can upload a file, and I think later on you could even draw your question too. Okay, so you can ask, or you could ask a certain subject tutor. So you could ask a math tutor, a science tutor, social science, Spanish, French, English. Okay, and then you can ask any tutor as well. So I hope this was a short, brief introduction. You could also click on the chat. Okay, and it'll link you to a chat. All right, okay, and then you could also do essay as well too. So you could see your essays. You could click and attach your file or just drag and drop it. There's different ways for you to attach it, so make sure you actually read the directions. All right, so I hope this was helpful. Remember, this is via chat only. You cannot talk to them. I do see everything, that all the communication that you go through with your tutors. So make sure it's school appropriate. All right. And then if you need additional help with the website, you could click on this question mark and then the help screen. I hope that was helpful. Please feel free to ask me questions if you need it. I'll be available using your Remind chat or email.